Welcome back to the Gargoyles Den Diecast. This is Gargoyle, of course, and we are back for another Super Van Sunday. And up on the chopping block, we got a 1974 Hot Wheels Supervan. Imagine that. This one is actually going to be what was supposed to come out last week instead of the Superman van, but then this decals I got I didn't like or whatever. So yeah, I ordered some different ones, and yeah, they came in, so we're going to go ahead and turn this one into that. It is a redline, but the wheels are shot, so we'll replace the wheels and stuff. I don't know what the kit paint job this is. I'm thinking this may have been in black with flames when it first came out, but I can't really tell. I don't know. This looks like nail polish. I don't know if it was supposed to be flames or... Yeah, it's got the same thing on both sides, same general design, but I don't know what it's supposed to be. I don't know. It's all going to get stripped off anyway. It does have a metal base. I do have the center punch marks already, so we can go ahead and get it drilled out. So let's go ahead and do that. Shielded drilling, of course. Just like so. Take that last little ring off. There we are. Not a whole lot to these, as always. Toss that into the zip degreaser. We'll replace these. Let's go ahead and cut them out. Come on, really? Alright. Now this is well tarnished, so we're going to go ahead and toss it into the 50-50 mix of lime away and water, or CLR and water, whichever you prefer. Leave it in for 4.5 to 5 minutes. And then take it out and brush it down and then polish it up and get it looking nice. Get it ready for its new set of wheels. So let's go ahead and drop that over here. Now we are down to this. Let's go ahead and file these flat. Go. And I'm going to head on over to the drill press and drill these out. And then I'm going to head on over to the regurgitation juice. Stay tuned. back from the paint stripper. Let's go ahead and get this polished up so we can get over to paint and get it taken care of. The back of these are usually really bad. This one isn't that bad, so that's kind of nice. And we're going to go ahead and head on over and get it primed and painted. We'll be back. Alright, got the van all painted up, got the decal stickers on it, and the gloss coat on it is now in the dehydrator drying, so we can get this back together. Next thing up, we got to put the wheels on, and we need to go ahead and polish this base with the flits. So let's go ahead and get that done. Dabba-dee. Dabba-dee. Better watch it. This is probably copyrighted. Take this first from the zip degreaser and rinse it off, and we'll be back. Okay, I'm back washing the base. It's all polished up, ready to go. Looking fabulous, of course. Let's go ahead and let's see. Well, that won't work. Go ahead and get some of these tires taken care of. Dead right in the middle. I like to spread mine out a little bit so you don't have to worry about the axle twisting or anything. And because I'm using the gel, I don't have to worry about the capillary action running down. And hey, there goes our dehydrator. It's ready. Let's go ahead and drop a couple drops or Instaset on there. Get this from Hobby Lobby. It's like $10, $12 a bottle or something. The bottle lasts for months and months and months. There we go. We are ready. And grab the body out of the dehydrator. And here's what we finally came up with. 1975 Flying Colors Toy Fair livery for the super van. This is one I did not have in my collection yet. I was going to do this one last week instead of the Superman van, and the decals I had were messed up, so I ordered these because I didn't like the decals that I had. I couldn't find any online that I could print that I liked that were good enough. You know, I was being too picky, I guess. So I did this Superman van instead last week and pushed this one off to this week. So I got several more lined up and several more decals already in the works for them, so it won't be any hiccups in the Super Van Sundays. Anyhow, if you like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and by all means, feel free to share it with some other people in the diecast community. I'd love to build my rapport, so to speak. I want to eventually join a group of some sort to do the monthly group builds with. So, I don't know. Let me know. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions or comments, thoughts, wonders, whatever. Just talk to me. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.